Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Vega. I'm back after a 3-week hiatus, and I'm not back with reaction content. I'm back with an unboxing. I left for like a couple weeks because I went home to visit my friends and my parents. So I have a bunch of packages, and we're opening them today. We're gonna start out with the one I am most excited for. I already know what all this stuff is, but that's not the point. I've been waiting for it for a long time. This specifically is what I've been waiting for a fat fucking minute. We have the new computer. We have
the MacBook Pro.
Because I just got rid of my Air. I handed it down to my little brother. Gave it to him while I was home. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I got it in space gray too. I'm not gonna lift it up to the camera for y'all to see, but I am gonna gonna get my first look-sees at it. Oh, look at her. She's a beautiful bitch. Oh yeah. That's a quick open. Christmas came early. These are prints that I ordered from Ian Woods. He makes very, very cool prints of famous artists. Oh my god. Ooh, are these glossy? They are. My MacBook is making noises, so if you hear anything, that's Siri talking to me. This is Willow and Jaden Smith, like, morphed together. I think it's so cool. This is Tupac Shakur. I mean, y'all can see. Tyler. The one, the only Frank Ocean. And, Poppy, Bad Bunny. I'll open this one next. I know there are new masks in this one, because I ordered a new set of masks, because we take precautions in a pandemic like good people. And we also live in a state that has a fantastic mandate, and actually complies with said mandate. Got a 3-pack of masks. This is from Baggu. I love their products very much. Mask in dark green, mask in purple, and a mask in like a reddish orange. Very excited about those. And these are like the ones that, like the traditional masks that you kind of do this. I have other ones that like tie around my head this way and then tie back. We have a laptop sleeve from them, which I should see if this fits in there. Let's see. Does it fit? Oh, it does! So that's gonna go on my bed. Actually, that's gonna go over here. And then I got a new purse. Oh, this is a big purse. Yep, I got a tote bag. It's cow print, because, you know, trendy. I'm gonna open this one last, because I know what that is, and I pre-ordered that. I've been waiting for it. This is my Amazon Fire Stick, because I finally decided I'm sick of setting my fucking computer up and not being able to use it while I watch TV. So we got a mouse for my MacBook, and it's more green than it is blue. It's like a mint color, but it's supposed to be blue. And it comes with a little USB-C thing.
I just threw it across the room.
It comes with a little USB-C adapter, so that's fun. And then Fire Stick, so I'm gonna set that up tonight. God, I have so many things to set up tonight. I have to repack my whole purse. And then I'm gonna hang these bad boys up. Boop. I gotta be real careful opening this because I don't want to stab it. Oh my god! Oh, it does. It smells like artificial strawberries. This is the strawberry milk shake cow pillow pet. I literally, like, Twitter convinced me to get this. Like, this wasn't even, I didn't even really want it. And then I saw it and I was like, I have to have it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that. That's so cute. That is precious. Strawberry milkshake cow. I literally pre-ordered this hoe. Does it have like a description on the inside? No. That's okay. That was that. That was the unboxing. Not much to it, but I was excited to get packages. I have not opened a package in a very long time. So that's that. I'm back now. I was not gonna be gone for 3 weeks, but life happens. I will be making more content, and I'll be making like regular content. I'll also be doing a couple of special things, but I'm not gonna tell y'all what. Y'all are just gonna have to find out and keep watching. So thank you for sticking around if you watched for this long, and as always, peace out.